Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to do some more subtracting problems, but you're not always going to have to ungroup. So I'm going to model 2 problems for you, and then I'm going to give you 3 to practice yourself at home. So we're going to title this Decide When to Ungroup. The first problem is 9,462 minus 5,678. Now, the thing about this is I'm sure some of you want to go ahead and put your comma. You can put a comma if you want, but I don't want it to get confused for 1. Okay, so I need to take 8 away from 2. I can't do that. So I'm going to go to my number to my left and make this become a 5. I'm breaking one of my 10s up, so then this becomes a 12. So I have, that's where I got my 5 from. The 6, I lost 1 because I had to break it up into 10 ones. So now I'm going to say 8 minus 12. Or, sorry, we're taking 8 from 12, and that is 4. Okay, now I'm not messing with the 6, I'm messing with the 5. Can I take 7 from 5? No, I can't. So I'm going to have to go to the left. This is going to become a 3. Okay, so now this, I'm going to put a 1. Okay, I'm sure this is really confusing, so please, please, please ask me any questions you have tomorrow. I would love to help you. Okay, so this became a 3, so I broke one of my hundreds up into 10 tens to add it to what I already had. Now I have 7, and I can take 7 away from 15. Okay, 7 away from 15 equals 8. Okay, now I need to take 6 away from 3. I can't do that. 6 is too big. So I'm going to have to make this become an 8. And I broke one of my thousands up to become 10 100s. So now I had 3 100s plus the 10 I just earned or got from my thousands. So now I need to take 6 away from 13. That is going to be 7. Now I need to take 5 away from 8. I know that is 3. So I'm going to go ahead and check. I'm going to do 3,784 plus 5,678. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Carry my 1. Now, make sure when you are carrying a number, you go to the digit to the left, up and to the left. So, I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So when I see 7 plus 1, I think, great, that's 8 plus 8 equals 16. I'm going to have to carry my 1, so up and to the left. Oh, I also know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I see that 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus 7 equals 14. Carry my 1 up and to the left. Now I have 5 plus 3 equals 8 plus 4 equals 9. I have 9,462, and that's what I had before, so I know I'm correct. You want to put your comma there and block it off. You can do that. Okay. Drawing it out is really helpful, but sometimes when you get into really big numbers, it's not the most helpful. So it's okay if you're drawing out the problems, but make sure you're also understanding how to do the borrowing. Okay, we're going to do another problem. We're going to do 2,703 minus 1,962. Now, I need to take 2 from 3. Thank goodness, I don't have to borrow anything. I can do that. What's 2 from 3? That's 1. Okay, I need to take 6 away from 0. I can't do that. So this number up and to the left becomes the 6, so I'm breaking one of my hundreds up to 10 tens. So this 0 now becomes a 10. I have 10 tens. Okay, now I can do 6 from 10. I know that equals 4. 9 from 6. Oh, I can't do that again either. Okay, so I'm going to have to break my 1,000 up into a 1, carry one of my 1,000, or because I broke 1,000 up, I now have 10 hundreds plus the 6 I already had. So now I need to do 9 from 16, and that is 7, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. You can put the 0 there if you want, but you don't have to. So now I'm going to check 741 plus 1,962. Now realize I'm not lining up my numbers on the left. I'm lining up my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and my 1,000. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 4 plus 6 equals 10, so I'm going to put a 0 there. Up and to the left to carry my 1. 7 plus 9. Oh, but I know that 1 plus 9 equals 10 plus 7 equals 17. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I got 2703. 2703. Okay, I'll be honest with you. I have been teaching for a while and still I get confused sometimes with borrowing. So please, please, please let me know if you've come up with a different philosophy or method or strategy to solve these problems. I would love to hear them and try to figure out, and maybe it might help someone else. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 more problems I want you to try. So 6,034 minus 2,756. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2 is 8,502 minus 3,749. And then number 3 is 4,650 minus 2,793. Please, 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 please come with any questions or concerns that you have. I know that borrowing is difficult, or ungrouping. I would love to work on it with you. Please let me know. Tomorrow in class, we're really going to be working on finding different, we're going to be analyzing subtraction errors. So we're going to become math investigators and investigate what the problem is. And maybe as we're investigating, we're going to realize some cool findings. So please come with any questions and prepare to be an investigator. Thank you.